first vlog, and the reason why I'm doing this is because lately I've been looking through my comments on YouTube, and a lot of y'all say I want to see a vlog, what you do every day, and I'm gonna do a vlog, but I'm not gonna do one every day. What I'm gonna do is just the days that I shoot, I want to do a vlog. Like, let's say today I'm going to Dallas, right? I'm actually on 20 right now, I'm business 20, and we're going to Arlington to go shoot Jose's Dooley. He goes by Little Boy on Instagram. But that's what I'm fixing to go do, and hopefully I get some good footage. I'll probably film on the way up there. I mean, if I make a stop or anything like that. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but if I do, I'll make sure to film that. And let's see how this goes. What we're doing right now is we're doing a shoot of 3 trucks at the Cowboy Stadium, as you can see. And I'll show you all the trucks in a second. These ladies just got on this truck. They're just taking pictures with it. With them. These are the trucks I'm shooting. I don't know if I showed them to you. Cowboy Stadium. Are y'all ready? What's up, bro? This is one of my fans. He's gonna help us drive. What's your name, bro? Arturo. He's gonna help us drive. These are the owners. What's your name, bro? For my vlog. He drives the blue one, right?
Yeah.
The blue one. And you, bro? Which one do you drive? Which one's that one? The Megacab. They're both on Forces and one on Forgiatos, which he owns the Forgiato one. We're basically getting ready to go do the rolling shots. Hopefully Arturo knows how to drive and he don't kill us.
I do know how to do it.
Because I ain't trying to die today. We're here with Arturo, driving the truck. We already introduced him. We're basically already pretty much done. We just got this black one left. And it overexposed the fuck out of this video. We already did this blue one. We already did this one. Super single rims in the front. Of course, the stadium in the background. Alright guys, I know a lot of y'all want to see a burnout. I'm gonna mount y'all real quick on this truck. Espérame tantito, güey. Basically, we're already done shooting. We're in front of the, I don't know where the fuck we're at, but we're done shooting. He already did his burnout. I don't know if you can see the rover. Should be a badass little video. He even has his color matched interior. I don't know if y'all can see that. We're out.
We're out.
Vámonos. Yesterday was Friday, we were in Dallas. Now we're back in Midland. Basically, we just got done doing the rolling shots.
And you got broken up with.
Let's ignore that. still don't even start the photo shoot, guys. So basically this is our downtown. For everybody that says why is it always so empty? I mean, we don't really have that big a population here. There's a lot of money, but they ain't that much people. We're about to get started on the shoot. We have about an hour till sunset, so we gotta hurry the fuck up. Right, Tony? What happened? Did they leave your ass?
He said truck was calling.
Alright, so I'm about to go get the camera and we're about to get started. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the smoke. And basically when there's smoke, it means the shoot is done and ready to go home. No problems, smooth shoot. Now basically all we got done is just some more rolling video, and we're going home. You ready, Omar? Al 100.
Sir.
Alright, let's get.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I don't know if this is going to be like the last little piece of the vlog or if I'm still going to do another shoot today. I really don't know, but if this is basically what I'm doing right now is I'm at Best Buy. And the reason why I'm vlogging is because there's all these guys or people saying, damn, you must make a lot of money, you keep all the money. And they think everything's like 100% profit, right? So this morning I woke up and I was going to start editing, and then my hard drive went out on my computer. So I'm gonna show you how much it's gonna be to fix that. This is $550 for this hard drive, and then an adapter that's another $150. This is things that happen all the time. It's just money that's wasted. It's not all profit. It's not as good as it might sound sometimes.